out of love. So everybody, hello to my YouTube channel, to mobile blogger and TikTok and all these people. You know what? I have some very bad source directly for Saudi coal and Rocky to flood control in the Philippines. Um, Yun nga, hindi pa siya nahuhuli, for BB Marconi speaking. To terrifying about this man. Sa dami-dami yun yung ginawang pagnanakaw, ayaw nyo sumuko, makulong, so anong gusto nyo palabasin? You're very older, right? So the problem you're very older, I cannot win this process for you. Life. And probably, you know what? Kailangan talaga makulong na yan. Yung asawa ni Min Mendoza, si Jingo Estrada, tapos si Romualdez, as to Amy Marcos, di ba sinabi niya, nagbigay siya ng malaking iskandalo. So our TikTok people and content our videos of politics for this blood control run over and the Philippines. Ito masasabi ko, Saldico, Roque, whatever they impose to flood control in your city, but you're out of the Philippines, you are traveled international, let's speak to American President, right? Kayo mga Filipino FW, gagawa kayo ng kasalanan sa bansa nyo tapos tatago kayo sa ibang bansa. For what about you have help and problem? Yun nga, si President Marcos daw ay gusto daw harapin. So ako naman, opinion ko, and whatever my crimes and in this story, but overweight me and all what happened to you and over longer. So, Mr. President BBM, this is over our every year. What the problem you and all the bullshit like President? Bakit pag hiningi kong money ransom, ayaw niyo ibigay? Ha? For what about longer term is always the bad in chains? Pag si President o si Sara Duterte ang magiging President ng Pilipinas, anong gagawin natin? Di lalo tayo na disafar. Maglalaban ang ang tinalupuan sa lupa at saka sa putek. You know what? For capital of the Philippines, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, ano ba for provinces is bad attitude doing for ignoring in Metro Manila, because ask our Tagalog Filipino, tagal-tagal mo na sa Maynila, punto ka pa rin. Anything, tagal-tagal mo na bubo ka pa rin is something for Latin our country, but on Pacific and Philippines is capital city, but how Filipinos have background attitude. Okay. So, and now to Hong Kong Fire Building. I really that really, yeah. So Thailand disaster, so all playing for learning for YouTube and TikTok. I have never well for answer, because for here to TikTok in our posting, the people is enjoy because people is fine because it's rich. Hindi sila hard. Live sila nag-live, show ng show. Tayo dito sa online, tayo ay napapasunod na nauuto tayo nila para lang sa kanilang karangyaan o change life, anything, success, what will happen, ang sagot nila, diba? So, ang atin din, what happen? So, hindi tayo magkikita on person. What are problem? Real, the words connected. And You know, di mo napapansin. Yun ang nangyari ngayon sa mga tao. Sa mga singer, actor, celebrity, non-pecs, and all these influenced people and politician. So tayo naman dito sa online, because nga hindi naman tayo mayaman, nag-access tayo ng internet, nagbabayad tayo ng internet, pwede pa tayo venue, because it's affected is working to our city, talaga magsasarita tayo dahil nagbabayad naman tayo ng tax, meron naman tayong mga bank account, bumibili tayo, nagsha-shopping tayo, the city working, 2 out of the city is not your working, as a province is your go home. Pwede kang sinasabihin din na kakaroon ko ng tax kasi nga tao, individual ka, naninilbihan ka sa mga gobyerno, whatever position other people and rich or. Kaya ang mga tao, tama naman ang kanilang hinanaing kasi nga nagbabayad nga sila ng tax. Pero yung gusto nila makadyan ng building, na flooding to president election of 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, and 30 years. The Franchic, walang nagawa, papayaman, being properties, mansion, cars, ang luluho nila sa buhay. It's something dirty, oh my gosh, just terrifying the word. God spoke the word. The rich and us never found and never always destroy in this earth. Ang kinin mo naman lahat ng sa earth, wala kang madadala, but you're going to die and suffer. Okay? Kaya stuff, you're stronger. Kahit wala kang ibigay sa aking money or what, government or anything, wala namang mawawala sa akin. Kasi sa inyo naman galing yan. So therefore, because I am poor, I'm not rich, I will fight in this moment. But you're guilty because you're insecure, stubborn. Fate to many level on you. And it is something shiver. But I'm good and bad attitude you ask that, right? You know what? This very particular in you for this moment, okay? Kaya bago-baguhin nyo na yung mga attitude nyo, baka mangyari na ang taekwan, mawasak na ang mga pinagdadamot yung building, mansion, at kasama nyo sa kamatayan nyo yan. At huwag kayo lalabas. Emergency kit all already, but all get others for survive. But how to wait now and disaster and World War III because Thailand, what is Asia? Japanese and China now is the beginning, and Taiwan, Philippines, and America for longer trade war in Asia and over scandal the world. Our need of foreign war is always damaged. But first for America, Iranian, and Palestine, Gaza, Hamas, and Jerusalem, Israel. But Israel now is very strict of attacked for Muslims. Kasi nga nabubuhay pa naman mga government na to, ang mga tao na to. Normal lang bubumbahan sila dyan. Eh, pag namatayan na, wala na, tahimik ng lahat. Yun lang ang aking sasabihin to Penyon here, my YouTube channel. So, follow more, click, and subscribe. But don't share to my video because this is video as the fatal nyo. Ito ay nakakamatay para sa iyo. Learning is most brainwash will you with and stupidly. Okay? Thank you.